Children, so far we have completed 4 question answers. Copy down the 5th question. What is it? How did Ravi know about water pollution and water depletion? Pollution means what? Destroying something, okay? Or else polluting something with pollution of water means when the sewage of from our homes are mixed with the water, that is known as the water pollution. Depletion means reduction of the water, that is making little. Answer is Ravi knew about water pollution and depletion from the books he had read. Ravi knew about the water pollution and depletion from the books he had read. And depletion from the books he had read. Okay children, Ravi, from where Ravi got to know these all, the pollution and the depletion? From the books, from the textbooks. He was a schoolboy, right? So, now copy down the question number 6. Question number 6 is, what did Ravi and his friend learn from the posters put up by the NGO? The NGO people, before arriving to their place, they have set up the posters, right? They have pasted the posters on the walls, on the doors of the people in the colony. So, Ravi and his friend could make out from the posters that it had been something to do with water conservation. Here question is, what Ravi and Mani thought by seeing the posters? What was the idea they got by looking at the posters? What they found? So, here Ravi and his friend could make out from the poster that it had something to do with water conservation. Something to do with water conservation. Okay children, what they found out? That, I think it's not clear. Okay. Now, Ravi and his friend could make out from the poster that it had something to do with water conservation. What they thought after looking at the poster? I think the NGO people are coming and going to tell us about how to conserve the water. Conserving means what? Protection. What is meant by conservation of water? Protection of water. Now copy down the question number 7. Children, don't think that teacher is writing and rubbing out the board very quickly. Don't think. Because anyhow you guys will be getting the question answer sheet. So, now copy down question number 7. What's question number 7? What did the two boys think of the leaking taps in their houses? What they thought about the leaking taps in their houses? They thought that it can be fixed by themselves or their fathers. It's not a big issue. If the taps are leaking, it's not a big issue. We can fix it anytime. They were thinking in this way. The boys thought that it was not important to fix the leaking taps. The boys thought that it's not important to fix the leaking taps. What the boys thought, children? The boys thought that it's not important to fix the leaking taps. The boys thought that it's not important to fix the leaking taps. Now moving to the 8th question. What did Mr. Surti tell Ravi about his profession? So how Mr. Surti introduced Ravi about his profession when Ravi asked, what do you do, sir? Mr. Surti was an artist. He earned his living by writing books and painting. Mr. Surti, S capital, Mr. Surti was an artist. Okay? Artist, full stop. He earned means what? Earning the money. By doing something, we earn the money. By joining any job or doing some work, we are going to get money, right? That is known as earning the money. Earned his living by writing books and painting. By writing books and paintings. Full stop. Painting, not paintings, painting. How he introduced? Mr. Surti was an artist. He earned his living by writing books and painting. Say it again. Mr. Surti was an artist. He earned his living by writing books and painting. Now copy down the question number 9. Question 9. What's question number 9? Why was Mr. Surti working on weekends for free at Drop Dead Foundation? Why he was working? Because he was a humble man. He was thinking that if I repair the leaking taps, I may save much amount of water. About 1,000, how much? 1,000 million drops. Okay, 1,000 million drops only he said, or 1,000 million liters he said? 1,000 million liters he said. Right, children? So if we repair all the leaking taps, we may save lots and lots of water, which is unnecessary going waste. Mr. Surti was working in the weekends for free to do his part to conserve water. He was distributed by the ugly fights. He was disturbed by the ugly fights that water scarcity caused. Let's write. Mr. Surti was working in the weekends. What is meant by weekend? Saturday and Sunday. Okay? In the weekends for free to do. One second, there is this one. Mr. Surti was working in the weekends for free to do his part to conserve conserve water, full stop. He was disturbed. He was disturbed by the ugly fights that water scarcity caused. Ugly fights that water scarcity caused. Okay, why he was working? Because he wanted to do his bit to the save the nature, and he was very much disturbed when he used to see the people fighting, and sometimes they used to bang each other, and the fights would have been very much ugly. Okay, children. So that's the reason he was doing his bit to serve the people and serve the environment. Now question number 10. This is the last question. Copy down question number 10, everyone. How much water has Mr. Surti managed to save by repairing leaking taps? So how much he has saved? Conserved the water. Mr. Surti managed to save 10 million liters of water. How much? Mr. Surti managed to save 10 million liters of water. Okay, children, how much he saved? Mr. Surti managed to save 10 million liters of water. So these are the question answers. You need to write all the question answers 1 to 10 once in class workbook and twice in homework book. Okay, children, take care. I'll be meeting you all in your when we'll start our third unit. Okay, bye bye.